Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Congress will play a major role to restore peace in Manipur, says AICC General Secretary Mukul Wasnik. Congress decides to appoint 75-year-old Siddharamaiah as Chief Minister of Karnataka. And curfew relaxed in Imphal for 10 hours. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly, and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. General Secretary of All India Congress Committee AICC Mukul Wasnik has said that all efforts will be put to restore normalcy in Manipur. He said this during a press meet held at Congress Bhavan today. The press meet was attended by AICC members Bhakta Charan Das, Ajay Kumar, MPCC President K. Meghachandra, CLP leader O. Ipobi, and many leaders of the party. Mukul Wasnik further said at the moment Manipur is burning. However, not a single word from both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. In the past, there were frequent visits of ministers in Manipur when BJP government came to power. Houses, churches and many properties have been damaged and destroyed, but the government has remained a silent spectator. The Congress doesn't want to politicize on the issue. He also mentioned that yesterday a fact-finding team of Congress party had met the governor of Manipur and explained the situation in detail. Though the present government of Manipur remains silent, the Congress party will put all efforts on to bring peace and tranquility in the state, he added.
Arms and ammunition, the way it was looted, more than 1,000 guns, more than 6,000, 7,000 rounds, they were looted, and the recovery is far less. Weapons are there in the hands of a large number of people. Situation is still extremely tense. Government is seen to be wanting to restore normalcy. We don't see any efforts in bringing back peace and harmony. Large number of places of worship. Figures start from 150 to almost 300. Churches have been burned down, demolished, destroyed, vandalized. A few temples have also been destroyed. Such things have not happened in independent India anywhere. The number is too big. In this unfortunate situation, the Prime Minister is silent. Not a word from the Prime Minister. The Home Minister, whose responsibility is to see that constitutional values are upheld, the duties are performed according to the provisions of the Constitution. Nothing, not a word from the Home Minister. Earlier, every now and then, the union ministers were visiting Manipur. Maybe one every week. That was a PR exercise. But since the 3rd of May, when this unfortunate situation has happened, not a single minister has come to Manipur. Manipur is burning. And like it is said that when Rome was burning, the emperor was playing with fiddle. So we are extremely concerned. We don't want to politicize this situation. Every community has a stake in peace in Manipur. If peace is restored, every community will be able to flourish. Today, government employees belonging to different communities find difficult to perform their duties because some community employee feel that if I go to that place, I may not be safe. So this is the type of situation, and we are here to appeal to all sections to restore peace. We are here to assure that every possible cooperation from the Congress party will be there to provide normalcy in the state of Manipur.
In a midnight breakthrough to the stalemate over the top job in Karnataka, Congress has decided to appoint 75-year-old Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister and D.K. Shivakumar as his deputy in the southern state. The oath-taking ceremony is to take place in Bengaluru on May 20th. The formula was arrived at about 2 a.m. in Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. This followed tense negotiations between Shivakumar, who was not ready to stand down, and the party high command, among whom Sonia Gandhi is believed to have played a crucial role in turning him around. Announcing the decision, senior Congress leader K.C. Venugopal said after taking the opinion of the MLAs and consultations with Sonia and Rahul, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has decided that Siddaramaiah will be Chief Minister of Karnataka. D.K. Shivakumar will be Deputy Chief Minister. He will be the only Deputy CM. Karnataka CM designate Siddaramaiah and his deputy to be D.K. Shivakumar led a Congress delegation late on Thursday and met Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot to stake claim to form the next government. This came after the Congress Legislature Party formally elected Siddaramaiah as its leader. The governor accepted the claim and invited them to take oath on Saturday, May 20th. Shivakumar moved the proposal to elect Siddaramaiah as the Legislative Party leader after the commencement of the meeting, and it was supported by all the 135 MLAs. Senior leaders including Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Chief Ministers of Congress-ruled states are expected to attend the oath-taking ceremony. The Congress has also invited like-minded parties and their leaders including Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Telangana Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik to the swearing-in. Invitation has also been extended to several other opposition leaders including Sitaram Yechuri, Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah and Akhilesh Yadav. District magistrates of different districts have relaxed curfew imposed under CRPC 144 today in view of the improvement in law and order situation across the state. The curfew currently imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West districts have been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Many people came out to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. Moreover, many vehicles were also seen plying on the road. Four BJP MLAs who earlier resigned from their respective administration posts in order to register their dissent against Chief Minister N. Biren have also joined the team of 34 non-cookie MLAs in demanding non-extension of suspension of Operation Sue agreement signed with cookie militants. In a joint memorandum submitted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Langtabal MLA Karam Sham, Hairok MLA T.H. Radhesham, Wangjing Tentha MLA Paunam Brojain and Oripok MLA K.H. Raghumani said that they were never informed about the meeting and signature campaign of MLAs regarding non-extension of Sue agreement with cookie militants. They said they too share the same opinion with the people of Manipur regarding the demand for non-extension of Sue agreement with the cookie militants, as this may challenge the unity and integrity of Manipur, stated the memorandum, while seeking constant intervention by the Union Home Minister to restore peace and normalcy in the state at the earliest. Copies of the memorandum were forwarded to the Governor, Chief Secretary and Security Advisor to the Government of Manipur. The United Naga Council (UNC) on Tuesday held a consultative meeting with Naga leaders from Manipur amid the ongoing ethnic clashes in the state that have led to loss of lives and properties. According to reliable sources, around 300 Naga leaders, including intellectuals and representatives from various civil society organizations and stakeholders, gathered at TNK Hall at Tahazan, Senapati district on Tuesday. No concrete solution or resolution was taken by the members present in the meeting, but the final resolution will be taken during the UNC's presidential meeting, which will be held soon. Meanwhile, a 9-member peace committee has been constituted under the UNC to initiate and uphold peace in the state amid ethnic and communal violence. Former UNC President Ko John, a co-convener of Peace Committee, stated that they met Kokomi on May 10th and conveyed to the Valley-based Apex body to restore peace in the state. He stated that there should be a dialogue to bring a mutual understanding between the two communities. He further stated that he called on the Governor of Manipur, Anusuya Uike, and Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and appealed to them to deploy central security forces, especially along the national highways and vulnerable areas like the foothills and bordering areas of the two communities. The recent safe return of 124 displaced civilians to Moreh facilitated by Assam Rifles has been further encouraged to their native villages in Imphal successfully. This effort, supported by local community leaders, civil administration, marks a significant step towards normalcy and hope in the region as the affected individuals now have the opportunity to rebuild their lives and foster inter-community harmony. Assam Rifles played a crucial role in ensuring the safe return of these displaced individuals. They provided essential relief assistance, including food, shelter, and medical aid, while also ensuring their security and escorting them back safely to Imphal. The return of displaced Indians is a positive sign of healing and progress. The unwavering dedication of Assam Rifles has significantly contributed to the normalization of the situation in the region as they work towards rebuilding trust and fostering unity among the local populace. Assam Rifles extended medical assistance to the remote villages requiring medical aid and provided daily essential items and water to various relief camps during the ongoing crisis in the state of Manipur. A number of rescue operations were conducted and medical assistance was organized to provide health assistance, checkup and treatment to the unattended patients from remote villages of New Kaithilmanbi. The displaced civilians in relief camps at Persomun, Gangipmual, Compound Veng and M. Songel were provided with daily essential items, medical aid and water. Medical team also conducted lecture to civilians wherein personal hygiene and stress management issues were addressed. The villagers appreciated and extended their gratitude towards the initiatives taken by Assam Rifles for the welfare of patients who are unable to visit and purchase the medicines. Stay tuned, we'll be back after a short break.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lisingamaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 kilometers away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commence open for 2023 and 24 session.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. PM Narendra Modi on Friday left for Japan to attend the G7 summit scheduled to be held from May 19 to 21st in Hiroshima. A video has surfaced online showing PM Modi boarding a plane for Japan. After his trip to Japan, PM Modi will visit Papua New Guinea and Australia. He'll reportedly have more than 40 engagements during his three-nation tour. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Friday administered the oath of office to Senior Advocate K.V. Vishwanathan and Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra as Supreme Court judges. With the two new appointments, SC will function at its total strength of 34 judges. Vishwanathan is in line to become CJI from August 12, 2030 to May 25, 2031. A 59-year-old Indian climber aiming to set a new world record of becoming Asia's first woman on a pacemaker to scale Mount Everest died after falling sick at the base camp. Suzanne Leopoldina Jesus, who was admitted to a hospital, was asked to abandon the attempt after failing to maintain normal speed during the acclimatization exercise at the base camp. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Congress will play a major role to restore peace in Manipur, says AICC General Secretary Mukul Wasnik. Congress decided to appoint 75-year-old Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister of Karnataka. And curfew relaxed in Imphal for 10 hours. That's all for now. Do tune in at 3 p.m. for more news updates in English. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.